Hey there, fellow. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest gadgets to enhance your workout experience. Today, we're diving into the world of Amazon to uncover the top 8 coolest gadgets for gym trainers. From high-tech gear to innovative tools, we got you covered. So let's jump right in. 8. Fitbit Charge 5. With an always-on color touchscreen, a sleeker design, and new health tracking features, the Charge 5 is a significant upgrade over the previous model and Fitbit's best fitness tracker yet. Last year's Fitbit Charge 4 was an excellent fitness tracker held back by a dated grayscale display and a cheap plastic build. Now, in its 5th generation, Fitbit's most popular device finally has an AMOLED color touchscreen and a metal case, making the $179.95 Charge 5 a wearable you actually want to wear. Fitbit has removed Spotify support from this generation, but added several useful health monitoring features that were previously only available on its $299.95 smartwatch, including an electrodermal activity (EDA) sensor that measures small electrical changes in your skin's sweat level to track your body's response to stress, and an electrocardiogram (ECG) app that checks for signs of atrial fibrillation (AFib), an irregular heart rhythm that can lead to blood clots. 7. Jabra Vista 2. The Jabra Vista 2 Truly Wireless are the next generation of the Jabra Vista Truly Wireless and are designed for active users who want more durable and stable headphones. With this new update, the manufacturer has raised the buds' dust and water resistance rating to IP68, although we don't currently test for it. They also now have an active noise cancelling ANC system to help block ambient noise around you. However, it offers a subpar overall performance. That said, these headphones have a very stable and comfortable fit, and you can customize their neutral sound profile with their companion apps, parametric EQ, and presets. The Jabra Vista 2 are great for sports and fitness. Thanks to their durable, lightweight, and well-built design, you can use them at the gym or outdoors without an issue. They're also rated IP68 for dust and water resistance, although we don't currently test for it. They have a comfortable and very stable fit, so you don't have to worry about them falling out of your ears while you're working out. The Jabra Vista 2 are sports-oriented headphones and are the next generation of the Jabra Vista Truly Wireless, a very stable in-ear fit and a customizable sound profile, thanks to their companion apps, parametric EQ, and presets. 6. Theun Mini Percussive Therapy Device. Our beauty contributor Rio Vieira Newton originally wrote this post in December 2020, calling the Theun a great gift for your more athletic sister or dad with creaky hips. We're republishing the post because it is now enabled with on-site shopping, so you can buy this at-home muscle relief tool as a gift or just for yourself without leaving this page. Read more about our on-site shopping tool here. Of my many purchases this year, sweatpants, and more sweatpants, my wisest investment has undoubtedly been my Theun Mini, a massage therapy tool beloved by physical therapists, trainers, and athletes, including basketball player Kyrie Irving, that helped relieve my back, neck, and shoulder pain after a bad accident a few months ago. My beloved cat Martini escaped through an open window onto the roof of my one-story building. I chased after her without hesitation, but smooth-soled loafers and asphalt tile are a recipe for disaster. I slipped, fell, and landed in a flower bed below, my body bent in a disjointed S shape. 5. Smart Jump Rope by Tangram Factory. Jumping rope is a great way to get your heart pumping and improve coordination during a full-body workout. And while any jump rope is fine if you want gear that can deliver a quick hit of cardio anywhere, the Tangram Factory Smart Rope promises to give your next workout a futuristic technical edge. The section of the rope that meets the pavement is packed with LED lights that enable it to project statistics like number of jumps and workout duration before your eyes as you hop. But is this smart rope really any better than any dumb jump rope you can buy? Because of its finicky display and design that encourages poor form, unfortunately not. 4. Bowflex SelectTech Adjustable Dumbbells. Dumbbells may be the most utilitarian piece of equipment in your home gym. You can incorporate them into lighter yoga flows or use them for heavy lifts on their own. Having a variety of weights is key if you want to mix up your training, and adjustable dumbbells are a great option if you're strapped for cash and space. The Bowflex SelectTech adjustable dumbbells offer up to 52.5 pounds of weight each, which is equal to 15 separate pairs of dumbbells. Another selling point, from 5 pounds up to 20 pounds. You can actually adjust these dumbbells in increments of 2.5 pounds. Most adjustable dumbbells only scale 5 pounds at a time. This allows you to progress with more precision and at a slower rate. While the upfront costs may send you into sticker shock, you'll save a fair amount of money over time, and certainly more than if you were to buy the 15 pairs of dumbbells all at once. Plus, it's hard to beat the convenience. Select your weight, rep out some curls and chest presses, and then neatly stow the dumbbells away. If you're looking for a reasonably priced set of adjustable dumbbells that can save you money and space, the Bowflex Select Tech 552s may be your answer. 3. Perfect Fitness Push-Up Handles. Perfect Fitness push-up handles offer a transformative twist to traditional push-ups, enhancing both form and effectiveness. Engineered with ergonomic design, these handles alleviate wrist strain, allowing for a more comfortable and stable grip during workouts. The elevated angle promotes a deeper range of motion, intensifying muscle engagement in the chest, arms, shoulders, and core. Whether you're a fitness novice or a seasoned athlete, these handles cater to all levels, providing versatility in exercise routines. Crafted with durability in mind, they withstand rigorous training sessions, ensuring longevity. Elevate your push-up game with Perfect Fitness push-up handles and unlock the full potential of your workout regimen. 2. Exercise bike. Fitness trends come and go, but pedaling in place on an exercise bike is a classic, low-impact way to nurture cardiovascular fitness. Whether you prefer to tool along at a moderate pace a few times a week or tackle intense, studio-style workouts daily, the bike you choose can help set you up for success. After riding 19 indoor cycling bikes over the past 4 years, we found 4 that will please a variety of riders. Our recommendations include a top-notch, top-dollar connected cycling experience, a less expensive magnetic resistance bike for those who prioritize versatility and wish to provide their own touchscreen, a model with friction resistance that's made for streaming connected apps, and a sturdy budget option. 1. Beats Studio Buds. Apple's AirPods Pro are some of the best noise-canceling true wireless earphones on the market, but at $249, they're among the most expensive. Apple owns Beats, and the Beats Studio Buds are loaded with AirPods Pro-like features for just $149.99, including active noise cancellation, ANC, spatial audio for Apple Music's new Dolby Atmos mixed tracks, and one-touch pairing for both iOS and Android devices. From an audio standpoint, the Studio Buds deliver a powerful bass-forward experience and manage to keep the highs crisp. Noise cancellation is decent, but you definitely get what you pay for. And while many of the included features share similarities with the AirPods Pro, they aren't as polished. Apple's AirPods Pro are some of the best noise-canceling true wireless earphones on the market, but at $249, they're among the most expensive. Apple owns Beats, and the Beats Studio Buds are loaded with AirPods Pro-like features for just $149.99, including active noise cancellation, ANC, spatial audio for Apple Music's new Dolby Atmos mixed tracks, and one-touch pairing for both iOS and Android devices. And there you have it, the top 8 coolest gadgets for gym trainers, all available on Amazon. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and gadget reviews. Until next time, keep pushing yourself and never stop chasing those gains. Happy training!